Hey guys, it's Jeremy back again for another video, and today we're going to be opening 6 million packs in Anime Card Clash.
That's what I'm talking about. This shit means something to me, man.
So first off, we're going to check out our level, and right now we're at level 86. And if we go over to look at our rolls, we have 15.3 million rolls. Now we're going to head over to upgrades. And as you can see, we have 20 out of 20 in boss chance, 80 out of 80 in border chance, and 70 out of 300 in luck. Head over to prestige, and we have 5 out of 45 points. Now we're going to take a look at our deck, and as you can see, we have our luck team equipped with 3 monarchs and 1 divine trait. And the best card on this account is a 100 billion blade warrior sitting beside a 100 billion curse fist. I think with around 6 million rolls, we can definitely pull something above this, but that's only if he has the right gear. So we're going to head over to the backpack and see what his gear looks like. For equipment, he has the Death Note, which is the Fate Notebook. For artifact, he has the Golden Snail, which we get from beating floor level 200 in Battle Tower. For relic, he has the Hollow Mask. For accessories, he has none. And for boss gear, he has the Sky King Drum. So right now, we're going to head over to backpack once again, pop our potions, and start to roll for moons. We're going to do 10 of each, the elixirs, and hopefully we can get an Inferno Moon pretty quickly. And I'll be right back. Okay, so we finally got an Inferno. Let's head over to our instant rolls, starting off with our 250k pack. We have a 10 billion Flame Summoner. Now we have our 100ks. We have a 50 billion Mochi Emperor. Now to our 50s. 8.5 billion Healing Fist. And our last set of 50ks, a 1 trillion Bald Hero and a 75 billion White Flame Pillar. Now to our 10ks. Oh, it's been so long since I've pulled a trillion, bro. 75 billion Awaken the Strongest and a 20 billion Master Manipulator. 8.5. Why do we get, bro? What's with the Healing Fist? 10 billion Shadow Knight. $5 billion Black Flame. 3 billion King of Curses. 3.5 billion Ripple Knight. 3 billion Forest Sage. 5 billion Berserk Shinigami. 5 billion Shadow Saint. 5 billion Sword Saint. 75 billion Eminence card. 7.5 billion Awakened Promise Child. And another 7.5 billion Awakened Promise Child. Let me go upgrade the points a bit. We have 40 seconds on the moon. Right now, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna full send the remaining of our 10k packs. Please give me something crazy.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We got a 60 billion Eminent Strategist and a 25 billion Eternal Mage. I was actually expecting better stuff, but this isn't that bad.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
3.5 billion Snake Hashira. 3.5 billion Copy Ninja. 15 billion Biju Beast. And our moon comes to an end. Let's go upgrade our points a bit again. Any prestige points? Nope. Let's head back to our backpack and continue rolling. We got an Eclipse. We got a Monarch. Can we get an Inferno right now? Yes. No? Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Never mind.
Nice.
Never mind. Back to our packs. Continuing with our 5Ks. 15 billion Wizard King. 40 billion Sylvie Commander. 35 billion Dark Avenger, and the final set of our 5Ks. A 200 and is that trillion? No. Oh my goodness. A 250 billion Awakened Wild Hunter. I thought I was trillion for a second, bro. 3 billion King of Curses. 25 billion Eminence Accountant. 25 billion Cursed Doll. A 10 billion Crowmaster. 4.5 billion Beast Giant. 7.5 billion Deranged Assassin. 6 billion Awakened Frost Demon. 2 billion Limitless Master. And that brings us to the end of our 1Ks. Let's go to upgrade our points. We got a prestige point. And let's head back to opening packs. We got a 10 billion Ultimate Warrior. We got a 4 billion Candy Master. 400 million. What is this, bro? What is this, bro? Give me some good stuff. I mean, we did get a trillion, so I'm not like, 10 billion Awakened Pale Demon Lord. And let's just full send the last of our 500s.
What? What the fuck?
1.2 billion Black Demon. Our hundreds. 400 million Sylvie Commander. And our 50s. 3.5 million Namekian Sage, which is what is that?
Oh, come on, man! I can't have shit in this house.
Let's go claim the stuff from our quest and battle pass, and we'll be right back. So we've got ourselves a few more rolls to open. I'm going to just open all of these moon rerolls at once. It's only 2,800, so it normally takes about that. Actually, it takes more than that sometimes to get an Inferno. So I'm hoping this is sufficient. Let's see. And it's not. This just proves my point that this game is bullshit. So what do we do here? Do I roll on this or do I wait? You know what? He doesn't have Shadow General, so I'm actually going to open these packs on a Monarch Moon. And on a Monarch Moon right now we have, and with a Monarch Moon active and our max luck, we have 317 luck. Head over to our backpack, instant rolls. I'm gonna start off with our 100Ks. We got a 20 billion Esper Prodigy. Then to our 10Ks, we got a 25 billion Cursed Doll alongside a 15 billion Bijou Beast. Our 500s, we got a 10 million Fire Dragon. Now for our 100s, we didn't even get we got a support card. And our 50s, 1.2 million Red Pilot.
This is all I got. This is all I got.
And I am happy.
Boy,
In approximately 6 million rolls, we pulled a 1 trillion Ball Hero, We pulled a 250 billion Awakened Wild Hunter. We pulled a 75 billion Earth Strongest. We pulled a 75 billion Eminence Card. We pulled another 75 billion White Flame Pillar. We pulled a 60 billion Eminent Strategist. We pulled a 50 billion Katakuri, a 40 billion Survey Commander, a 35 billion Dark Avenger, and so many other amazing cards. So from 6 million packs, bro, I am absolutely satisfied. So let's add these cards to the team. Bald Hero, Wild Hunter, Awaken the Strongest. And I actually think I want to put this card, the White Pillar, above Eminence card. And these are the best cards that we managed to pull in 6 million packs. Once more, 1 trillion Bald Hero, 250 billion Awakened Wild Hunter, 75 billion Awakened the Strongest, and a 75 billion White Flame Pillar. If you guys want to be in a video just like this, and you want me to open your packs in a Max Luck server, join the Discord and make an application, or join the Discord and hit me up in DMs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.